Alright, this is to show you how the fixed turrets and or bullets will mount to the new junction box. So anything that used the JB6 prior to can use the self-tapping junction box. In the junction box is a set of screws. Okay, you have your self-tapping screws. These are the heads there. Okay, those are your self-tapping. And then you have the screws that would actually mount the plate onto there. So once you have your camera, you mount this part here first. You take those 4 flathead screws. Okay, once the plate is on, okay, you run the wires through your mounting plate of the turret, hide them inside the junction box, and this is the self-tapping now. There's 2 sizes in there. There's the shorter one and the longer one. In this case, we don't really necessarily need the longer one, so we're going to just use the shorter one. Again, you just align it anywhere on the open plate. Turn the drill bit to drill. And it self-taps in there. Okay? It's literally self-tapping. Okay, you repeat that for the other 2 holes, and now it cleanly mounts on there. Okay, as you can see, nice and flush. There's no overhang. Move it. See, it's just a whole self-tapping screws.